Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TRB. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that after a very huge rally, TRB was reached the resistance, a quite long-term resistance, and this was the video by the way. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that it is aggressively breaking out this resistance level as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move and this breakout. And I would also like to share with you this recent breakout that is happening on the daily time frame chart from this rising wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TRB, and this move produced almost 113% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for TRB that I shared on 22nd of September 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse guarded pattern that TRB formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 113%, very, very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of TRB. And first of all, I would like to show you this weekly time frame chart. And you can see that previously since after September 2020, it was moving inside this big falling wedge pattern. And when the movement was quite squeezed inside this wedge, I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon price and may break out the resistance of this wedge, and you can see we have broken out the resistance. And now if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 1370%, very close to 1400%. And recently you can see it is breaking out a very, very long-term resistance of $80 as well. And previously you can see that this was, by the way, a complete resistance zone from $70 to $80. And you can see that we got rejection by this resistance on here and here and here and here as well. And now for the past 1 or 2 weeks, you can see it 1 and 2 and 3 weeks. It was struggling to break out this resistance zone. And finally, we are breaking out this resistance zone. On a daily time frame chart, you can see that we have completely broken it out. Therefore, I'm expecting that now soon we will also have a closing on the weekly time frame chart above this resistance zone as well. And now this resistance zone can work as a nice and long-term support zone for the price. And by the way, the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $170. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that the price line is struggling to break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. On a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that we had a closing above the resistance, and the new candlestick is open above the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And now on the daily time frame chart, you can see we are also breaking out this resistance of the wedge. And the target for this breakout will be, by the way, higher than the previous target of a falling wedge pattern, because that target was approximately at $170. And if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this rising wedge pattern, that expected move can be here approximately at $200. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.